Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install and configure Jenkins. First of all, what is meant by Jenkins? Jenkins is an CI/CD tool. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. It is used for the process of building, testing and deploying an application automatically. Jenkins is an automation tool used in DevOps. Okay, this is about Jenkins. Now we can start how to install Jenkins and we can build an sample job. Let's get started. First of all, log in into the Amazon console and I'm going to launch one server for installing Jenkins. First of all, click on launch instance. I'm going to give the server name Jenkins server. Going to choose Amazon Linux version 2. Keep pair. Security group I am going to give all traffic. Storage I am going to give 30 GB. Now click on launch instance. Okay, now our instance is running. We can SSH into our server. Host name, connection I am going to give 240. I'm going to give queue. I will make the font little bit eligible. EC2-user. Change to root user. Now we can go to the Jenkins website. Go to Google and search Jenkins. Get into jenkins.io website. See, here is a download option. Click on download. We are using Red Hat, so I am going to choose this one. Need to copy all this command in order to install our Jenkins. First command I am going to copy. Paste it in our server. Second one. This command is for importing the key. Now we are going to install Java. Install config Java -11 open JDK. To use run this command. This is telling us to run this command in order to install Java. Okay, Java is installed. Next we can install Jenkins. Install Jenkins. Jenkins is installed. Now we can check the status. Status Jenkins. It is loaded, but it is in an inactive state. Now we can start. Systemctl start Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is started. Now we can check by giving the public IP in the server. Public IP colon 8080. Jenkins port number is 8080. Okay, our Jenkins server is running. In order to log in, we need the password. For that, we need to get the password from this location. Copy the password, paste it here, click on continue. Now it will ask for installing plugins. You can click on install suggested plugins. It will take some time to install all the plugins. Okay, it will ask for creating a user credentials. You give the username, password. Email address. Click on save and continue. This is your Jenkins URL. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Now our Jenkins server is ready. This is our dashboard. Now we are going to build our first sample job. Click on new item. Sample job. Choose free cell project. Click on OK. Come below. In build step, I'm going to give execute shell. I'm going to run a simple shell command date and click on apply, click on save and click on build now option. You can see the console output. Monday, September 18, 10, 12. Okay, our job is run successfully. Okay guys, I hope that you understand everything clearly. We can see in the next video.